Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted another Starline i96 on this really lovely Range Rover Velar. Customer's a bit paranoid about someone grabbing the code on this and obviously doing a relay attack and trying to start it, so we fitted this system. How the system works is someone was to grab your key, jump in, try and start it. This is what would happen. The ignition would power up and it wouldn't start, okay? And then it would just switch off. So every time you jump in the vehicle now, just turn on the ignition, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic. Once you've put in the correct push sequence, you'll hear melody, you can start the vehicle. So we do that now. So no foot on the brake, main ignition on, go through your push sequence. So on here we've done something very basic. 1, 2, 3, receive our melody and then start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, when the customer takes it for a service or he takes it to a car wash and doesn't want to disclose the code, you can place it into valet mode. And the way you do that is ignition on, disarm the system, receive your melody, and then hit this 11 times and cycle the ignition off and on, and you'll get 2 chirps and it'll be in valet mode. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Key off, key on. There you go. Starts like a normal car now. There you go. Really clever, really straightforward. When you get the car back, all you really do is ignition on and just insert your code. There you go, 2 bleeps. That's now protected again. So when we then turn it off, you'll see that the vehicle won't start. So I'm going to turn it off, leave it for about 5 seconds, and then we're going to try and start it. Also, finally, if you wanted to change the code, this is also straightforward, and I'll show you this now. What I'm really doing is I'm basically doing the push buttons. I'm not using an app today, just to show people if they don't want to use the app, you can just use buttons. So let's try and start it. The vehicle won't start, okay? So ignition on, insert your code, receive your melody, and now hit this button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, key back on. 5 chirps means you're in learn mode. So I'm going to do this button here now. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to hear a melody. Again, 1, 2, 3. If we get the same melody, it means the new code is the same as the old code we've just inserted. There you go, new code has been learned. We'll leave it for about 10 seconds. You'll see me try the old code and you'll see it won't work. And then I'll turn off the ignition and try the new code. That's about 10 seconds now. No melody. So ignition off, ignition back on, new code, melody, and start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Finally, the push sequence amount, you could do anything between 3 and I think about 20. Anything over 6, you know, people start to forget. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.